Subscribe channel. Open notification button. Like video. Write comment.